Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Nissan Maxima hood from outside. First, if possible, try to locate the interior hood release lever, usually found on the driver's side dashboard or kick panel. If that's not an option, or if it's broken, we'll explore external methods. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off before attempting any work. If the interior release isn't working, you'll need to access the latch directly. Carefully use a flathead screwdriver or a similar pry tool to create a small gap in the grille, usually near the Nissan emblem. This will give you a better view and some working space to reach the latch mechanism. Be gentle to avoid damaging the grille components. Once you have a clear view, look for the main latch lever or the cable connected to it. You might need to push it to one side or pull it downwards, depending on the specific Maxima model. This action should release the primary hood lock. You'll often hear a click, and the hood will pop up slightly, but it won't open fully yet. With the primary latch released, the hood will be slightly ajar. Now, reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, near the center. You'll feel a small, secondary safety latch. This is a crucial safety feature. Push this lever upwards or to the side, and the hood will fully release, allowing you to lift it completely open. You've successfully opened the hood.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.